Hello. I just want to show you some beads I got from this shop on TikTok. So I've got bling beads and also keychains. So I've already, half of them came organised and the other half came mixed in this cute bunny bottle, but I organised them. I actually filmed myself doing it and already showed, but the video was too long. It was an hour long and I didn't want to really bore you with it, so I thought I'd just show you without me actually sorting them out. So these are the bling beads from Fantastshop, and they're very similar to the ones at Shop. They're actually cheaper as well. Beautiful. Really like the orange ones over here. Orange, my favorite color. These are beautiful teardrop ones, all in different colors. These are really cute. These are little teddy bears. And they come in light and dark. These are really pretty. It's got like a chevron marking across them. Lots of different cube shaped beads as well. Flower beads, lots of flower beads. Some butterfly beads, some crown beads. Okay. Now, along with the beads, we also got these as well. I won't go through every one like I did when I filmed it. Probably bore you to death, but you can just see them. They actually wrap around the beads. So that was really cool to get that. These are whale tail beads. These are frames, cat frames, dangles. I also got these for free as well. Oh, I forgot to add those in. These are butterfly beads. And I also got these for free, being a first time customer. They give you some beads for free, and also these as well. Another wraparound bead. These gold accessories come with the bling beads. Also, you get, if you get a charm, one of these, you get a free packet, and I much rather like these charms better than Coco's charms. Coco charms are real kitty-like, and you can't use them. There's no holes in them. So that's, yeah, I wish they would use proper pendants as charms. So there's a variety of different things in here. There's these. That's real cool. That looks like a rose wraparound. And there's some crowns as well. Butterflies. It's a dragon charm. And also some butterfly spacer and some dangle charms. Cool, really cool. Yeah, so we get those, and these are the charms. Of every charm you get an extra bling bag, so that means I would have got, I think I bought 30 bags, so I would have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bags. So these are the charms: apple, bow, apple, a drink, flower, enamel flower, nice gold love heart pendant, butterfly. So I've got, butterfly, flamingo. Oh, I've got 3 flamingos. 1, 2. Oh no, 2 flamingos. Butterfly. Heart. Heart. Rose. Star. That one, and this one. I could have sworn I had another one. Aha, here it is. This is the best charm. I was happy to get this one. Look at this one. This is a little jade money bag charm. How cute is that? You can either hang it from this way, because there's a hole in there, or you can hang it from that way. So yeah, so all up I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I've got 17 free bags on top of the 30. That's 30, 47 bags, which gets you that much. Yep. And I will show you the beautiful charms. These are called premium keychains, and they're absolutely stunning. Check these out. So this, I've got 3, so this is one, and they have a clip here, and you clip them on your bag or your phone. That's why they come with these. You can stick them to your phone. Now, how pretty are these? And they are so cheap on TikTok shop. I've got these bees. They're gorgeous. And they're very cheap on Shein. You get 50 for $3. Some TikTok shops would sell the 10 for like $2 US as well. But anyway, this place only sells these for 15 US. Other shops on TikTok sell them for 25 US. I won't mention who, but I think we all know who. So I'm really impressed with that. Yeah, they don't have charms in their bags, but even the place that is more expensive that does have charms in their bags, when it comes to these premium keychains, you hardly ever get a free charm in them. It's only in the beads and the bracelets you get charms regularly. So it's definitely much worth your while getting these premium keychains from Fantastshop. And how beautiful are these beads? So luxurious. They are so beautiful. Very sparkly. If you like sparkly things, I will definitely recommend getting that. So that's one. And what they do, like I bought 3, they put 4 out and you get to pick the 3 you want. They don't do that on the other place. So that was really cool. I'm definitely going to order more of these. No more beads. I think I've got enough beads. But I think I'll get a few more of these from Fantastshop. Now check this one out. This one is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. So this one's got 3 layers. Am I holding it right? Yep. How beautiful is that? Not sure if it's this way. Yeah, look at that. So over here, oh, maybe this way. It's got this beautiful charm, butterfly, the dangles, and on the other side, it's got that. Every side is just gorgeous, and then on this side, it's got this fancy bead. And it's got this beautiful rose. Then this. And this. And on. Yeah. Love the dangles on this butterfly. Look at that. There we go. I think I'm going to cut out my batteries going flat. So I will move this along and I'll show you the other one quickly. This is a blue one. It's a 3-layer one. Honestly, you would have to be mad to buy this from Coco because these guys are selling it for half the price. And they're exquisite. Look at them. Okay. beautiful is that? So this is the focal bead. Even the sides are gorgeous. Look at that. Here, beautiful enamel flowers. All these charms. Look at that. Really pretty. You know, if you're good at DIY, you can make your own focal fancy charms or whatever they call them. These are cute too. Glass. These are the teardrop ones I've got. And over here, the top layer, and there's the bottom layer here. That's silicone, that one, but still pretty. Maybe at some stage I'd like to get into making these, but it just means you have to like start buying these focal beads and more of these, and it's like, oh jeez, it's like I'm gonna get hooked on that too. No thank you.